Hey, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. In this one, we're going to have a look at how to make these things called extenders. Probably one of the most versatile bits of climbing equipment you can have on your harness. And they're just awesome. They're just awesome. So, what is an extender? Well, an extender is basically a quick draw. However, you have the added benefit of not only using it like this, which is generally the same length as a quick draw, but also being able to extend it out to a longer length like that. So the kit we need to make an extender is really simple. We just need 2 snap gates and a 60cm sling like this. When you're buying the snap gates, always buy a silver one and a coloured one. The silver one is the one that always clips into your metal, so bolts, any protection that you put into the rock, and the coloured one is where your rope always goes. The reason why I always clip the silver one into metal is because it is metal on metal. If you're putting this into a bolt or into a nut, is when it's moving around it can create these little sharp teeth in here. And if I accidentally used the wrong end and then clipped my rope into the one that was previously in the metal, if I fell off, potentially because of the teeth on here, the rope will run through it and it could slice the sheath on the outside of your rope. So silver one for metal, coloured one for rope. Now the way you set this up is really simple. Clip your 2 snap gates to your sling like that. Yeah. This is when it's fully extended. Obviously it's not going to be very good if that's dangling really far on your harness, because you might stand on it or get it caught on something, so we need to make this a little bit smaller. Really simply, it doesn't matter which end goes through what. Take one end, pass one snap gate through the other with the rest of the sling, hold these 2 strands with your fingers and clip that snap gate into the 2 strands that you've got, and effectively you've made something exactly the same length as a quick draw. Just grab one, here you go. Yeah, perfect. However, this one can't be extended. To extend it, all you have to do is once you clip the silver bit into your bolt or protection, take the coloured one off. Now it doesn't matter which loop you grab onto, because it will do exactly the same thing every single time. Just grab onto one, pull it, and you'll notice it's completely attached. Cool. So I'll reset it and do it again. Let's see if we can pick a slightly different cord this time. So clip that into the gear, take this one off, clip onto that one this time, pull it through, ooh, and there we go, boom, done. Extenders all the way through, clip, winner. Probably one of the most versatile bits of kit you'll ever have on your harness. I always used to use quick draws, and then someone showed me how to use this, and now my trad climbing rack is pretty much filled with all of these and with only 1 or 2 quick draws. I am a massive extender convert because they are so useful. You can use them this way or you can use them in their extended way. Super safe, super easy, will save you loads of time on a route, especially when you're in a panic spot. Boom, lovely. Rawr.